I do not look my absolute best in the morning. The everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Am I a vlogger now? It's all so cute. Happy almost start of fall. I thought I would do a little morning routine with you guys. I do not look my absolute best in the morning. I really need a shower. Still need to wash my face. I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys what I do in my mornings, especially during fall. I'll show you guys my coffee drink at home that I'm loving to make. We'll make some breakfast together, do some skincare, and then I've got to run some errands at Disney Springs, so I'll bring you guys along with me there as well. So we'll go ahead and get started on all of that. I'll show you what coffee flavor I've really been loving lately. It's the coffee avocado messy bun. It's like a cinnamon bun flavor. I've been absolutely loving this flavor because when I mix it in with my pumpkin syrup, it makes it so like cinnamon and pumpkin and warm and so yummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I make this drink. This is my outfit of the morning. I've got my Animal Kingdom 20th anniversary t-shirt in a size extra large that I got at Gas Connections when I was on my Disney college program. So we're definitely sporting this cutie piece today. Hoping that's really sarcastic. Normally I wear like really cute PJs. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make my fun little coffee beverage. Okay, so I've got my cinnamon bun coffee in here in my mug. And then I take my Skinny Girl pumpkin spice syrup. We got it from Home Goods. So to be completely honest, I'm not sure where all else you can get it. I'm sure there's plenty of other places. And I pour a pretty generous amount in here. I think that's probably plenty. Wesley usually makes this drink. This has kind of become his fall specialty. And then I'm gonna take my Truvia. I just like a little, I love sweet drinks, and so I like just a little bit extra in there. And then I'll go ahead and grab my creamer. I'm just gonna add a dab of the French vanilla creamer because I want a little bit of vanilla, and it's gonna taste like a vanilla pumpkin cinnamon swirl latte. Okay, so I'm gonna try my coffee. Oh man, that's literally perfect. Okay, I put on a sweater. So I'm gonna sip on my coffee just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go take a shower and then do my skincare routine, and then we'll make some breakfast together and head to Disney Springs. Just kidding, we're actually gonna make the bed and tidy the room just a little bit because it's stressing me out. So open up the windows, put in some light. And now she's all done. Mornings that I actually make my bed, I just feel so much better. So like I said, I am gonna take a shower and we're gonna do some skincare. I'll show you guys my skincare routine. I feel like my skin in the mornings is usually really dull, especially in fall time. What season is it? My skin is like really dull in the morning and kind of makes me look very washed out and drained. So we're definitely going to use some brightening scrub because it has been saving me, and especially days that I don't want to put on a ton of foundation. I feel like by using just a little bit of brightening scrub in the morning, it opens my eyes up so much. It just like adds life to my face. I feel like it's not as dull. I struggle with rosacea a lot, and I already have such rosy undertones that I feel like it can make me look very flat, like it can make my skin look very flat, if you know what I mean. We'll go ahead, do that. I'm gonna sip on my coffee just a little bit more. I'm probably gonna do a little quiet time real quick to do my devotional, and then I will head and take my shower. am all showered. I'm feeling so fresh and clean. I've got my fall but still Florida outfit on. My shorts are from American Eagle and my top is from Free People. I'm gonna go start making breakfast because sweet husband is getting hungry and he's working from home today. So I'm gonna go make some avocado toast and some scrambled eggs. So let's go get to cooking. Ta-da, my masterpiece of breakfast. I did avocado toast with everything but the bagel seasoning and scrambled eggs with cheese. I'm probably just really behind, but the everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's, definitely my new go-to on avocado toast. It's so good. It gives just flavor. Sometimes I feel like avocado toast can be kind of flavorless. When I was in school, I would always put garlic powder on there to give it just a little umph, but this is a million times better. Okay, so let's get into my skincare, my morning routine. I've got my water, which is one of the keys to really healthy, hydrated, beautiful, glowy skin. Every day I try and fill up a big bottle like this that will ensure that I am drinking a lot throughout the day. And if it's in a cute bottle, I'm more likely to drink it. But the product I was talking to you guys about is this Acure Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. I love this product so much. It's kind of like seaweedy looking on the inside, but it's amazing because my hair is drying really nicely today. I'm pretty pleased with that. But it's amazing because I think that before and after my skin goes from, like I said, so dull and flat to nice and glowy. Let me look like a boy real quick. I have such a round face that my hair in a low ponytail just makes me look more like a pumpkin, but that's okay. So anyway, I get this and I put just a decent amount, you know, about that much on my fingers. This bottle has lasted me for like a year because I'm very conservative with my products that I'm putting on. Also, sorry, there's a fan in the background and this is one of those weird bathrooms that you can't, it's like you always get the fan. But anyway, so I just put it all over my face. And I want to make sure that I'm rotating it in because it is a scrub. It's meant to be, you know, scrubbed in. Alrighty, it's all in. It's got sea kelp and green clay. Yeah, sea kelp and French green clay, and it's made for all skin types, so it's good no matter if you're oily, dry, combination, any of those. It's good for your skin. I've been making Wesley use it and he actually has said it's made a difference in his face, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do my makeup today. I think I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara and some lip gloss because I am supposed to go somewhere tonight and I don't want to have makeup on my face when I'm going to that place, but it's kind of up in the air right now, so we'll see. The one thing that you want to make sure if you do use this product is that you scrub it all the way off. You don't want to have little giblets on there. Okay, I don't know if y'all can tell a difference, but I definitely can. Leave a note in the comments if you guys have a skincare that you guys really love, like a facial scrub that you use in the mornings. I love this one, but I always love trying new things. Okay, so next is toner. Toner is really important, and I used to use the Thayer's Witch Hazel, but everyone told me that that stuff was horrible, not to use it anymore. So I've been using the Saturday Skin toner, and I'm really liking it. I don't feel like it dries my skin out too much. Here is my Saturday Skin. I'm just gonna put a little bit onto my little cotton scrub. This is just so much better than Witch Hazel because Witch Hazel, I felt like it never burned my skin. Not that it should burn your skin, but you know, you should feel it working, right? I think though that when you live somewhere like Florida, it's extra important to take care of your skin. Oh, this also, I forgot to say, this has pore control as well. It's a pore clarifying toner. It's extra important to take care of your skin because you are out in the sun so much, and I'm out in the sun a lot going to the theme parks. So next I use my Glow and Hydrate. This is probably one of my favorite products as well Sad I can only use it in the mornings, but it helps give your skin that nice dewy glow look that we all love to see. So it's a little lotion serum. It's bliss. Am I a vlogger now? I'm not a skincare guru by any means, but I've always loved skincare because I really do think that your skin is one of your most vital organs and you need to take care of it, because if you take care of it now, it'll still look beautiful and treat you kindly in the future. I'm 23 and people still think I'm like 16, but that's due to my baby face, but I want to look young forever, right? I've been using this Little Barn Apothecary. I love this stuff, but even if you're using another brand, I use the Mario Badescu at night. I'll do a night routine as well because my products differ just a little bit, but it's an aloe and rosewater balancing mist, just because I know I've put a lot of products on my face and the aloe is nice and calming, and it's just a nice cooling thing to put on before you put on your moisturizer and other goodies. And then I go into my moisturizer. This is my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I love to put this on. It's so nice and it's great to go under makeup whenever I do wear it, but even when I'm not wearing makeup, it still looks beautiful on my skin. Put that all over. It's so important to moisturize. I cannot express that enough. Like I said, I'm not a skincare expert, but I do know that moisturizing your skin is one of the most important steps of your skincare routine. Even if you're just washing your face, make sure you are always moisturizing it afterwards. And the very last step is my eye cream. I've been loving the Belief Moisture Eye Balm. Also, I should say none of this is sponsored, but I will be posting links to everything in the comment section. They are going to be affiliate links, so I do have to disclose that. But definitely try these out and let me know if you like them as much as I do. So I put this under my eye. I feel like any puffiness that I could have accrued, this just takes it right away. Having long nails and doing skincare is slightly difficult. Anyway, that is my skincare routine start to finish. I will do another like full get ready with me video sometime in the very near future where I do my makeup and everything like that. But for right now, that's my skincare. I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara and lip gloss. So this is my final fit for springs. I just put in some earrings and I put on my Stony Clover fanny pack, which I'm obsessed with, in my little Four Seasons pouch. It's going to be such a fast trip, but it'll still be fun and we'll get to see all the fun fall pieces out. So since the weather is kind of icky and I didn't bring a big bag to put my camera in, I am just gonna vlog on my phone inside because I don't want anything to happen to it. So let's go inside Springs real quick. This is literally gonna be the fastest trip ever. Go in, get stuff for my mom, and then leave. I just fell, busted my butt because the brick is really, really slippery and Birkenstock, so you know, not the most, and it's raining. It's okay, we're gonna hurry into what? So much baby Yoda stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are new little headbands. The new masks. I'm gonna try and get one if they have it in a large, but it doesn't look like they do. Oh yeah, here they do. There's the Boo one. And let's see if they have a large. I'm only touching so I can see if they have another size. Okay, I'm gonna have to ask about that one. Okay, this is all of their fun Halloween stuff that they've got. My mom wants the Home Goods stuff. That's so cute. They said they didn't know any more of those. I'm gonna get 2 of these. Let's see. There we go. But this is all so, so cute. I'm obsessed. Spooky everything. I love it. Oh, they have the lounge flags. Oh my gosh, I love these. So cute. First shirt that I've seen done this season that I really, really liked. So of course I grabbed it. I love the characters dressed up. This is so cute. I got the goods. Unfortunately, I was only able to get the Boo mask and not the pumpkin one as well, which I really want the pumpkin one, but she said they get new ones in every day. So I'm definitely gonna keep checking, and hopefully they'll have it when I go to Magic Kingdom on the 15th. The weather's kind of better. It's not as rainy, but I'm gonna run to the car real quick because it's almost time for us to leave on our little trip. This is the most hastily end to a vlog ever, but we're about to be late for a flight, and that was the thing. We're actually going home to surprise my dad for his birthday. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my morning and running errands at Disney Springs, and I will see you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already, give this video a big thumbs up. tons of great content coming soon. If you're not already following me on my socials, be sure to do so. I'm in the Sunny on Instagram and TikTok. I hope you guys have a sunshiny day, and I'll see you guys next time.